Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a mini table saw. So here is the box. So this table saw was $79 off of Amazon. That's fine. Ooh. Ooh. That's the power switch. Hey, this looks like the same one I got for my drill press. Ooh. Of course I knocked out my light. And it is. It's the same one that says power. Only this has military power and this is power. So there's your power there. And, ooh, cutting discs. They're like mini DVDs. Ooh, look at these. I got 4 different cutting discs. Ooh. This box, nothing extra in there. Saw blade mounting. Okay. Remove the 4 screws from the countertop. Ooh. Not that. We got our guide. We got our guides. We got our little brush and some Allen keys. Can never have enough Allen keys. And a radial turret. Look at that. Oop, nothing. We got this little plastic film. Okay. So there's your measuring. This would probably be where this would go. And this would be... Oh, we're going to figure this out. Anyway, so remove the 4 screws from the countertop. Of course. Of course I got the bigger one. Thank God that didn't go over the edge. We're going to be removing the 4 screws from the countertop. And turn the countertop upside down. Kind of awkward. Oh, there we go. Okay. I had it caught in there. The wrench is inserted into the shaft hole. Did I get a wrench? I don't think I got a wrench. Unless they're talking about this little rinky dink. Okay, I got nothing else in there. So this must be here. Then you gotta put your Allen key in here to release the bolt. You only need one of those. I think I need both. Now, which one of these is for metal? This one I'm guessing is for wood. Ouch, that's sharp. No, this is a vacuum attachment. Okay. This might be for aluminum. This one's probably for acrylic and plastic. This one might be for more finer things. We'll try this blade. Gimme. Gimme. Nope. Nope. I want the blade. Silly tape. Now, I don't know how this sits. Put that on. Now we'll put the big screw in. I could just leave the Allen key in here. Okay. Now we're going to put the screws back on. We just kind of saw this thing in. Good enough. Danger, cut, keep hands away. On and off switch is there, and that's my power input there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see. Yeah, this doesn't tell me anything except that goes there. Oh, this is for the shield. So this one's the shield plate. Oh, okay. I think it goes here. Based on this, if this is upside down, well, this goes here. I did that wrong. So this would be your adjuster. Well, let's just see if we can do it this way. So this is here. This is my cover. Not gonna lie, it's not. Okay, never mind. I got it backwards. It is that big of a cover. And this. Oh, I see how this. Okay, this goes in there. Okay. Although this fits too. So this could go. So this would go towards me. Okay. Well, that makes sense. We need to plug this in. Reusable baggie. Da 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 da. Okay, so I would go like this. And that vacuums it, and that's my on and off switch. Okay. Plug that bad boy in. Ah! Guess this has to sit on the table because it's too short or it'll dangle off. And I don't think I want it at 24 volts, so we'll keep it at 12. And then we're arming the nugget. Now, before we turn this on, we're going to do safety first. Put some glasses on. Oh, they're dirty. I was trying to make... Now, I have a template made out already for my solid state drive box. Getting a U channel is a bit trickier considering I worked them all. Yep, worked them all. Worked them all. This will be a little bit hard. I got too much stuff on my table. Oh, we'll do without that. Oh, I found some batteries. So with this, I'm going to make a mark. Where is my marker? Okay. Don't be doing this when this saw is on, kids. Okay, so that's going to be my mark there. Okay, so we got it lit up. Make sure your wire's out of the way. And let's see how this spins. Okay, I think it's spinning the way I want it. It started cutting, but something's making it skip. Okay. I'll put that at 14 volts. $16. Maybe we'll try a different. We'll try a different blade and see. Which one do I want? Maybe this one. Okay. Plug this back in. We'll start it back at 12. And we're going to place this here. Just let it back over there. So close. And that's it. There's my piece. I didn't have to file it yet, but now I can measure it against one of my other pieces I made. This is a piece I hand sawed. This is a piece I... How did I get... Oh, I see. I was not finished cutting this yet. Okay. Well then, that's a me problem. Okay, that's a little better. Alright, so let's see. We'll turn that off for a bit. Make another mark. Look at that. Not even 5 minutes. And it's just as good as my old ones. Turn that off for safety. And also, it is loud at night. And there we go. Now this is just as good as my old ones that I did by hand, and a lot faster. This would take me half an hour by hand with a hacksaw. Not even 5 minutes with this thing for that. Look at that, and it's just as good. If not slightly better, probably more flat and level also. Look at that. There you go. And then we'll bring in my little portable drill press. At least this thing I can do in the air and hold it. This thing I have to have like 5 hands. So that is my presentation of our little table saw. It works, but if you go too fast, it kind of hiccups, and you see that in the power with the flickering. Just be mindful of that. Thank you very much. I'll see you all next time.